In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI for grant writing. If you're looking to streamline the grant writing process and elevate your proposals, you're in the right place. Throughout this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to craft a compelling grant prompt using Claude AI, a powerful tool to help you articulate your ideas clearly and effectively. Let's kick things off by familiarizing ourselves with the fundamentals. The first step is to open Claude AI on your device. Ensure you are in a conducive environment for productivity, as this will be crucial in crafting a well-thought-out grant prompt. Once you have Claude AI up and running, we're ready to start the process. Begin by gathering all the essential information related to your grant proposal. This includes details about your project, such as its purpose, goals, intended impact, budget necessities, and timelines. Having this information at your fingertips allows you to input clear and concise data into Claude AI, which in turn generates a more precise output. The next step is to focus on crafting a clear and concise summary of your project. This summary will be the backbone of your grant prompt, effectively setting the stage for more detailed descriptions later on. Make sure it encapsulates the essence of what your project aims to achieve in just a few sentences. You may use language that is straightforward and engaging, capturing the attention of potential grantors from the very beginning. Once the summary is ready, it's time to input it into Claude AI. Take care to input data step by step, allowing the AI enough context to generate a comprehensive output. The tool is designed to assist by providing suggestions and, more importantly, by enhancing the readability of your writing. As Claude AI works its magic, it's important to continuously review the feedback the AI provides. Often, it will highlight areas that need more detail or clarification. This instant feedback is invaluable, as it encourages thoughtful reflection on each aspect of your proposal, allowing you to refine and polish your prompt. With your revised summary and details in hand, another essential step is to sync your writing style with the needs of potential grantors. Be sure to adopt a tone that matches their expectations and preferences, which is an essential component for success in the competitive world of grant writing. Claude AI offers numerous stylistic options, so feel free to explore those. Finally, once you have tweaked and fine-tuned your grant prompt with the aid of Claude AI, take a moment for a final review. Ensure everything aligns with the originally outlined goals and requirements, such as the word count limit and formatting criteria specific to the grant application you're targeting. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll find that using Claude AI can significantly simplify and enhance the process of writing a compelling grant prompt. Thank you for watching, and happy grant writing.